Today in class 8 chemistry we will start with the element compounds, and we will start with the element, their characteristics, how they represents previously, now actually how they represent, and what are the different elements and their symbols actually, and how we can write the symbols of elements. So today let's start with the elements. So today in we'll start with the language of chemistry. We starts with that normal ideas that we use variety of substance in our daily life. Each substance around us is made up of matter, from the food we eat, the water we drink, to the air we breathe, and the non-living object are made up of matter. We know that each substance has a unique composition, and also chemical changes are caused by the chemical reaction that take place during a chemical change. So here we will see the different chemical reactions and also element compounds general ideas. So first starts with the element, that is substance that consists of only one kind of atom is called an element. The smallest unit of an element is an atom. For example, if we see the element gold contains only one kind of atom, so that is gold atom. If you see another example of element, that is carbon, sodium and oxygen, that we all know that all the atoms that make up of element are of same kind, but two different element cannot have the same kind of atoms. So atoms of oxygen and atom of hydrogen are different from each other. So every element has its own unique properties. So more or less nearly 118 elements have been discovered. Of these, 98 elements are found naturally on Earth, and remaining 20 elements have been prepared artificially by scientists in laboratories. So if we see the characteristics of elements, then it consists of different characteristics, like elements are pure substances that consist of only one kind of atoms. Each element has its own unique properties. The atoms of an element exhibit the same properties as the element. Elements cannot be separated or broken down into simpler components by physical or chemical methods. So these are the different characteristics. Now if we see the representation of element, that elements or atoms of an element are represented using the symbol. So the representation of an element using the short form or abbreviation of its name is known as chemical symbol. So if we see in earlier times that were represented pictorially, means actually it is with the diagram picture. So later the element was named after the name of the place where they were found, first found. For example, if we see the name copper and its symbol Cu come from the Latin word cuprum, which means that is island of Cyprus. Then modern method of representation, element letters using the names of the elements are used as symbol. So now modern method of representation, if we see, the first letter of the name of element is used as symbol. The first letter is written as a capital letter, that H for hydrogen, O for oxygen, C for carbon. That is the English name of the element, or similar that of Latin name. If two or more elements have their English name starting with the same letter, then the two letter symbol is used. The first letter of the name of the first letter of symbol, and the non-repeating letter of the name, the second letter of the symbol. That is, if we see the example, that copper, that is Cu, that is Q from Latin name actually. Calcium, that is Ca. Cadmium, Cd. Chlorine, Cl. Cobalt, Co. And also in some cases English name and Latin name of the elements are different, and the symbols are derived from the Latin name also. That is, I just repeated this one, that cuprum, copper. Calcium, that is K. Similarly Latin name gold is aurum. The symbol is Au. So if we see defined element symbol, there is helium He, nitrogen N, iodine I, aluminum zinc, aluminum Al, zinc with Zn, argon with Ar, platinum with Pt, and also some Latin names also there: sodium, natrium Na, iron ferrum Fe, copper cuprum Cu, silver argentum Ag, mercury also hydrogen Hg. So these are the different examples. So today up to that, next we will start with another topic.